Hello everyone, Willie Soto here, bringing another valuable video to all my owners and friends. I hope you find yourselves healthy and safe wherever you may be. Yesterday was a big day. We all spent it with our loved ones, and I hope you enjoyed your time. But also, I do hope I bring a ton of value for you on this video. Once again, these platforms were created to continue to stay in touch with you, bring you value and up-to-date information as to what's happening around us, but also most importantly, to continue to put a face to who you're working with. I continue to ask all my owners and friends that you would subscribe to this channel. Please support W Management and also share it if there's any value, or you may want to refer someone that may want some information. Also, you know how to get a hold of me. If not, I'll give you my number, 626-246-4686. Moving on to what I want to talk to you guys about today. It's basically just some real estate rant, where we're at in the market. Where do I see real estate in the next 3 to 6 months, possibly a year? And again, these are my opinions. I know I've had several discussions with different owners and friends as to what my thoughts are or what's their thoughts on the real estate market. And remember, I don't have a crystal ball any more than you do, so I'm with you guys on this. So this is just more of where I feel the real estate market is at now and where it may be going. So what are my thoughts? As far as the real estate market right now, nothing's happening. Absolutely nothing. I do feel that the market is stable. Obviously, you know, our president, they're trying to re-stimulate the economy right now, and really not too many people are making moves. So, you know, unless you really need to make a move, that there's a true demand as far as what's happening, and you need to make a move right now. So any adjustments, any major adjustments that we would see in the market, I do see them happening maybe 6 months to a year from this pandemic. So if you guys are thinking we may see, you know, deals out there, we may not see anything for about a year. And I don't know, and there may be a very small window of opportunity to invest or to buy, because once again, there's just going to be so much stimulation to the economy and to the market. So it may not happen as we've seen in the past. So it may take 6 months, a year, maybe even longer before we see any major adjustments to the real estate market. So again, I feel that the market is going to continue to stay strong, whether it's in the investment or the retail. Housing obviously is a crucial part of our economy, so it needs to continue going. As far as recovery, once the post-recovery, I feel it's going to be strong. Again, I know they're going to try to stimulate and do whatever it takes so we won't get into a worse recession or depression, which we're already in. So I know the government, they're going to do whatever it takes. And even then, again, I don't have a crystal ball. This is just how I feel about things. You may feel a little different about it. But again, I'm being optimistic, and I do feel that the real estate market is going to continue to stay strong. Just even though everything we're dealing with right now, okay? As far as buying, you know, I would say right now, if you find a great deal, buy it, because I think opportunities are still out there. It's a great time to buy. Interest rates are low. I know it may be a little bit more difficult to get a loan just because, you know, there's a lot of people that have been furloughed or out of a job or completely laid off. So it may be a little more difficult. So if you are a buyer, whether you're looking to invest or retail buying for yourself personally, I think it's a great time. There may be, you know, someone in need of really needing to sell, and they're just stuck in this market where, you know, they have to make a move. So you may be the lucky buyer and get a pretty good deal out there. And obviously, if you are an investor and it just so happened that you sold your property and you're coming out of an exchange, that may be a need as to why you're buying. In terms of selling, is this a good time to sell? Possibly. I mean, it just depends. What where are you at with your finances? Where are you at with your property? Obviously, if it's a personal residence, again, there may have to be a real need for you to sell, maybe a big move out of state, downsizing, or perhaps you need to upgrade. Investment, same thing. If you need to sell an investment because you found something better, that deal, so that may be so. So once again, just to recap, my thoughts are that we won't see any major adjustments between 6 months to a year, maybe slightly longer, and those adjustments may see a dip in the market, and then we will have a strong post recovery. And I do see some inflation, so values going up. Once again, these are my opinions. This is where I feel where the market is going. But I'd like to hear your thoughts. Always feel free to give me a call and we could discuss at 626-246-4686. And I'll see you at the next video.